everybody, it is your boy Fred, and I'm joined here by my good friend Haycliff. Introduce yourself, Haycliff.
Hello guys, I'm Haycliff. I've known Freddy for a long time, and today we're gonna play Battle Ball for Treasure! I like this game. Cool.
Yeah. Alright. So Haycliff's account did get hacked by a little idiot that
Yeah,
thinks he's better than everyone.
I had
So
some really good
instead,
votes, but yeah.
we're using my great recreation of a plane.
Okay, this was nice.
Jet speed. I can set the speed
Okay, Fred, how did it work?
200.
Wait, how did we get in? Oh, I see.
Side door.
Let me in! Open the door.
I should probably make the jets visible so I can actually see what I'm clicking on. Okay. Get in and sit in a seat. I'm gonna get rid of these two.
It's not letting me.
Here,
Oh,
let
there
me.
we go.
Okay.
See.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Holy
So,
crap. Oh! This is awesome.
I made this build a really long time ago. It has been a good while since I played Build a Boat. So, this is how I used to get gold. It was really awesome and really epic. I can do cool stuff like this. I don't trust this area. What was that sound? Did you hear that?
No.
I heard something.
We can just.
Oh my god! I knew I heard something! I knew I heard something!
Little Baghdad flying across the screen. Oh!
We're fine.
You see, this is easy because we can just fly through the level.
Oh god!
Maybe not. Go. It's okay. Well, this is
Okay,
cool.
we're good. Now you get to really enjoy all the cool builds. Like these.
A king, a knight, an archer, a queen. It's either like a chess or an RPG reference. Something.
Some. I don't even think it's a reference.
Oh boy, the forest of forest.
Those are alligators.
Them things bite. They bite.
No, really.
It only hurts a little bit.
No. The tiki people are
This
throwing
is
stuff
supposed
at
to be
us.
Vietnam. Okay, we gotta run.
Oh!
Ah! Ouch. Oucher.
Oh, wait.
Ah! What are we doing?
We are maneuvering.
Meow.
Okay, okay. We're going in for a nice landing.
Yay!
Oh!
No!
That was not a part of the plan.
Hey guys, that's okay.
Hey, guy.
Hey guys.
We'll go back to factory camp. Hey, Cliff. Would you be so kind as to, go ahead and sit in the seat that I placed down?
Yeah, sure, man. Let's see.
Okay.
Alright.
So here's the thing that Haycliff doesn't know. Is that he just signed a very nice thing called a death wish. Oh, you mind getting up for a second?
Yeah.
Okay.
Welcome to
Good night.
Facto
Sit back
Cat.
down. Welcome back to Factor Cap, guys.
Let me sit back down real quick. Okay.
Okay, don't press that. Don't press anything that you see here. So here's the thing, Haycliff. this thing? Have you ever wanted to be an astronaut?
Yeah, I love being astronaut.
Oh no. Alright,
Um,
oh my good buddy old pal. You're about to meet the man
ooh, I can
who
click
created.
on it.
Don't you dare.
Oh. So Freddy, what did the button do?
Okay, see you, buddy.
Wait, what? Huh?
You'll see soon.
You might want to launch the boat. What the? What's
You know what that is?
Is that a balloon? A balloon here?
Takes a good while for it to. Wait, huh?
Uh,
You get up for a second?
uh,
Uh-oh. Oh,
Freddy,
that's not coming back down, is it? Hey, Cliff, fire the cannons. I'll fire this
shoot.
minigun that I got. You know, I really think we are not getting this back.
Alright, guys, but that was the end of our video.
No!
We will do some more recordings.
No! Stop!
Oh!
Stop!
Alright, guys, you
I have
want
a
to try one
security
more
boat.
boat? You want to try one more boat?
Here, let me grab you a seat.
I got a friend request from Johnny Cool.
No way!
He's so cool. I have a seat. Oh, well, that works.
There you go. We are security. We are going to, first off, make sure this is a golden, so it lasts literally forever.
Okay.
And just attach these on here, and I will control these.
Okay.
Because I do not trust you. Okay, launch. Can you not?
How do I disable?
Reset. That's why you don't press stuff, Hickliff. And I just said, leave me to the harpoon.
Leave me alone. Okay.
We'll cut that out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Please do not press that again.
Okay.
Okay, I will add the 2 seats again.
Okay, guys. Welcome back to our video. Okay. Alright, guys, so today we're taking the security ship to the end. I'm a prisoner, that's why I'm in the back. If I so
You're,
much as
you're a
move.
guard, I think. I think you're a guard.
Oh my god, okay, sorry, I have dementia. I have post-traumatic dramatic, okay?
Post-traumatic dramatic.
Yeah.
What does that sound?
Water.
Hickliff behind us.
Where?
I got it. No! He got post-traumatic down syndrome.
Oh boy. Oh, that's the kid that went flying last time. Ah! Youch.
We're fine. We are not fine.
So,
No. Uh-oh.
oh,
I got it.
it's all under control.
See, I got it.
You got it.
I'm not sure how long this is gonna last
I'm gonna
us.
grab onto the wall.
It's probably not the best idea. Oh well. Guess we're doing it now.
We'll be okay. Oh?
Might have killed us
Yo.
all, but
Yo.
yeah. How are you gonna get back down, Haycliff?
Freddy, we will. Okay. You just gotta believe. Okay.
Might just hopping out right here.
Wait.
Okay, just hop out. Don't press anything. Okay. Okay, just give me a second. Stay out. Okay, Haycliff. Trust me here. Trust me here. Okay, buddy? You're gonna need to stay here and you're gonna need to keep that island on lockdown. Okay, trust me here.
Oh,
Oh
oh,
god! Oh
oh,
god! Hey Cliff, you're about to watch a man die.
oh, he died.
Wait, really?
Okay.
Uh-oh. I got bad news for you. I lost the engine. Here, don't move. Don't move.
Help, Freddy, help! Help, Freddy, help! Help,
I'm
Freddy!
trying, man. Shut up.
Ow! Owie! I got stuck under the map! Help!
I can't.
Ah!
I reset, man. What the hell?
I slipped on a rock and it.
Here, wait. I'm gonna stop recording here.